fire keeps burning. The wheels of Mother Nature keeps turning. Every night I go to sleep, I pray you won't get hurt because these nuclears you've been receiving. Oh Lord, I pray they won't forbid you, cause we are best friends. Gosh, if we only paid attention and move in the right direction, so we'll stop this nuclear pollution. We need to make the right